Understanding, I think so, grasping subtleties in English. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase you've probably heard before, I think so. Understanding these three simple words can unlock nuances in conversations. Let's explore what this phrase really means and how to use it like a native speaker. I think so is a phrase we use when we agree or believe that something is true, but we are not completely certain. It shows that we're confident about our opinion, but there's still a slight doubt in our mind. Let's look at some examples. Question: Is the meeting at 3 p.m.? Answer: I think so. Let's check the schedule to be sure. Question: Will it rain tomorrow? Answer: I think so. The weather forecast mentions showers. These examples show how I think so can be used to express an opinion while still leaving room for uncertainty or confirmation. The tone of voice can change the meaning of I think so. Said with a confident tone, it suggests a strong belief. However, with a hesitant tone, it conveys more doubt. Context matters too, as cultural norms can influence how strongly this phrase implies certainty. There are a few variations of this phrase that carry slightly different connotations. I suppose so. This is often used to agree reluctantly. I guess so. This suggests a greater degree of uncertainty. I believe so. This can imply a stronger conviction. I think so is a versatile phrase in English that helps us communicate beliefs and agreement with a touch of humility. It's an excellent tool in your language arsenal for nuanced communication. Hope this video helps clarify the subtle ways English speakers express themselves. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.